Hey beautiful, if you want to know how to keep your makeup from fading and you want it to look fresh through the entire evening, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Nancy Joseph, also known as the Lipstick Boss, and today I want to share with you 2 pro products that I use. I call this the Cinderella Magic Touch, and it's the finishing touches to a makeup look. So for that special occasion or even that everyday makeup that you do, these are the 2 products that are going to lock that look in place and keep you looking fresh and fabulous the entire time. So the first one is going to be Setting Pretty. This is a translucent powder, and the reason that it's so amazing is that it's not going to change any color that you have already applied. So sometimes with when people are powdering themselves, they use a powder that has color in it. And what happens then is all of a sudden it darkens your makeup. This one is a translucent powder, so it has no color to it, so it's great for all skin tones. And basically, you just brush that all over, and this is gonna lock everything in place, and it gives like a blurred finish. So you're gonna look beautiful in photos, but also in person. And then finally, it's Let It Set. This is a refreshing finishing spray. So 2 pumps, and that's gonna lock your look in place, and you're gonna look fresh and fabulous the entire day. So if you have any questions about those products, I left some information in the box below. Also, if you're not subscribed yet to the channel, go ahead and do that. I'm here every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday with pro makeup tips. Until next time, mwah, bye-bye.